Amsterdam is a vibrant city filled with rich history, art, and culture. In just 48 hours, you can experience its highlights with the Amsterdam City Card, which offers convenient access to top attractions, museums, and public transportation. Get ready to explore the hidden gems and iconic sights this beautiful city has to offer. The Amsterdam City Card is an essential tool for travelers, granting you access to more than 75 attractions and museums across the city. This pass not only saves you money but also time, allowing for seamless travel on public transport and enabling you to explore Amsterdam with ease and convenience. Start your exploration at the Rijksmuseum, where you'll discover iconic masterpieces by the Dutch masters Rembrandt and Vermeer. The Amsterdam City Card allows you to bypass the long entrance lines and provides a complimentary audio guide, enhancing your experience in one of the world's most renowned art museums. The City Card offers a fantastic opportunity for a scenic canal cruise, providing a unique perspective of Amsterdam. As you glide through the picturesque waterways, soak in the beautiful historic architecture and vibrant neighborhoods that define the city, making this an unforgettable part of your Amsterdam adventure. No visit to Amsterdam is complete without expanding your horizons at the Van Gogh Museum. The Amsterdam City Card provides you free entry to the largest collection of Vincent van Gogh's masterpieces, allowing you to immerse yourself in his profound artistry and explore his life through captivating exhibits. Experience the rich legacy of beer making at the Heineken Experience, an engaging tour that immerses you in the Heineken brand. With your City Card, you'll gain access to interactive exhibits and enjoy a tasting session, making it a fun and informative stop in your Amsterdam itinerary. Conclude your Amsterdam adventure with a leisurely exploration of the picturesque Jordaan District. Known for its narrow streets and artistic vibe, the area is filled with quaint shops, charming cafes, and local galleries. The City Card provides you with easy access, allowing you to soak in the vibrant atmosphere at your own pace. As you conclude your whirlwind 48 hours in Amsterdam, maximizing your City Card is essential for an enjoyable experience. Check the timings of the attractions and plan your itinerary wisely. This ensures you see the highlights of the city while taking full advantage of the card's benefits.